Hello students, welcome to my channel Engineer Ash Ma'am. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions of plane table survey topic. Subject is survey. Question number 1. The principle of plane table is? Answer is 1. Parallelism. Okay. For example, if 4 points are there on ground A, B, C and D. Okay. And if it is your drawing sheet, then if you want to plot these points on this drawing sheet, then this line AB, AD will be here, AD, and AB here, C here, and DC here. That means this DC line is parallel to this capital DC, and this AB, AD line is parallel to this capital line AD. Okay, and this small letter AB line, this AB line is parallel to this line AB. It's called as principle of plane table. Next is inaccessible points may be located by. Answer is 2. Intersection method. With the help of intersection method, we can locate inaccessible points. For example, if river is here and we have to plot points, this side points, then with the help of intersection method, first intersect this point and then this line will be here, and then again intersect this point from here. Then you will get this intersection point, and this is AB line. So with the help of intersection method, we can plot this inaccessible point. Okay. We cannot access here now because river is here. So without reaching there, we can plot this point. If it's, for example, if it is A, then we can plot this A. If it is point B at C, then it becomes B and C. Next is the U fork and plumb bob are required for. So this is a U fork, and this one black color, it is a plumb bob. So with the help of U fork and plumb bob, we can center a plane table. Just attach here this U fork and plumb bob here. Then we will get center point here. Next is an alidade is used in plane table surveying is. This is alidade. This one is sight pen and object pen. An alidade is used in plane table for drawing lines. So with the help of this scale, we can draw lines or we can bisect object with the help of alidade. The method of surveying in which field work and plotting work are done simultaneously is known as plane tabling. So in plane tabling survey, both works are done simultaneously. That is field work and second is plotting work. In plane tabling, the instrument used to measure the horizontal and vertical distance directly. It's known as telescopic alidade. There are two types of alidade. One is normal alidade, or second one is telescopic alidade. Okay. The operation of turning the table so that all the lines on the paper are parallel to the corresponding lines on the ground is called as orientation. Okay. For example, if it is line AB here, okay, or already plot here AB, and if you want to shift this table here, then this AB line should be at same point. So there are two methods of orientation. One is backsighting method and second one is magnetic method. That means just with the help of magnetic north, we can orient our table. Next is the plotting of small areas which can be commanded from the single station is usually done on the plane table by method of. For example, if it is a small area, if it is point A, B, C, D, and E. If you want to plot this area on this graph paper, then radiation method, can adopt radiation method. Just bisect A, B, C, D, and E. This line is AB line parallel to this line AB. Just measure distance from O. If it is O, O to A. then we will get this ground area or sides on our shape, sheet, drawing sheet. Okay, this method is called as radiation. Rays are coming out from the center now. That's why we call it as radiation. Next is the plane table. Map cannot be plotted to a different scale as there is no field work. As we know that field work and plotting work done simultaneously on ground. That is if it is sheet and if it is your ranging rod at A, then this field work and this drawing work, drawing line on this drawing point on this line or measuring distance, etc. done simultaneously on ground and on sheet. That's why separate field book is not required here. Okay. Or therefore we cannot plot to a different scale. Okay, if it is if you use 1:10 scale, then we cannot change the scale in case of plane table. Okay, this is a major drawback of this type of survey. Intersection method of detailed plotting is most suitable for answer is hilly area. So intersection method is most suitable for inaccessible points or in case of hilly areas or in case of rivers, etc. Okay. Next is the 2 points problem is a method of resection and orientation. The north line of map is marked on, if it is drawing sheet, then this north line is marked on this right side top corner. Answer is right hand top corner. Where is right hand? D. 3. Answer 3. Right hand. This is your right hand top corner. The purpose of Alidade is plane table surveying is the purpose of Alidade in plane table is answer is sighting to target points. We know that this is your Alidade. This key. And here Alidade. One slit opening provided here and one crosshair here. So you can see from this side. Your eye is right. Sorry. And you can bisect through this slit. Okay. So purpose of Alidade is to sight the target point if it is your ranging rod to target this point, or second purpose is to measure distance with the help of or mark line with the help of this scale. Okay, so two uses of Alidade are one is sighting the object, second one is just mark the scale or measure the distance or note down the distance. The first temporary adjustment to be done after setting up plane table at any station will be leveling. The first temporary adjustment done after setting up the plane table is leveling. So we have to level the plane table with the help of plumb. Okay, spirit level. Next is, what is the purpose of conducting the resection method in the plane table surveying? The purpose of conducting resection method is to determine the location of the instrument. If you want to locate the instrument, then we can locate the instrument point with the help of this resection method. Next is, which of the following represent the correct order of setting up the plane table? So first one is leveling, second is centering, third one is orientation. So if it is your plane table, and if it is tripod stand, then first step is to level this. And if it is your undulating ground, normal, parallel undulating, then if first step is to level this plane table. Okay, approximate level first, and second one is with the help of plumb bob, you can level this with the help of plumb bob. Just place here and there, and then level plane plumb bob. Spirit level or bubble tube. Okay, next it is centering. Centering done with the help of U4 and plumb bob. Here plumb bob. So you will get center point. And then next orientation. Okay, with the help of that north and second is backsighting method. Plane table surveying is a dash method. So it's a graphical method, as we already know that drawing sheet is required and we draw that that all things on this lines on this sheet. So it's a graphical method. Next is plane table is made of, it's made up of a wood. That's why it's very heavy, and it's again major drawback of your plane table because it's very heavy. Carrying instruments of plane table, that is Alidade and plumb, etc. Again, it's one more drawback. Otherwise, it's a very simplest method. Plane table surveying uses the methodology of traversing. So plane table is surveying, which uses methodology of traversing. Okay, so we travel points. It is A, B, C, D, E. So it's a traversing method. Okay, right. Thank you.